So we're in this song. A couple things about this E7. You know, when you do it this way, exactly, it sounds really full. What we're doing is we're taking an E chord and we're putting D in it, like the open D string. So we also have D here on the second string right there. So you can do both of them, or you can do a full E and that one. And then we also talked about going movable C7, which is cool in E because you can use both of these strings like that. So there may be some songs where you won't be like versatile. So yeah, we're playing the verse here. And then so this is a song in A minor. Like that relative major ultra minor stuff we were talking about last time. So the first thing that came to mind for me on the back of our page here was a chorus that starts with C. And if you think that sounds too normal, you could try starting with G instead. But here's what I mean. Excuse me. And then like C. Slow there in the middle. So the thing I was doing was this. And I think it kind of sounds good to go to that G in this one because it's got that same D in there. So every other time it's going to go this or that. Cool. So, or that could totally just be the lyrical melody. You could be going verse, 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 verse. So, F, a way we can play F is where you play your thumb for the bass, and that lets you play the open third string. So, do you know how to do F like I'm doing right now? Cool. So what's cool about that is we can go with our middle finger, and whereas if we were barring, we would only be able to go minor. So we can go. That's a cool way to play that. So this G right here, the third, fourth, first string, you can put that into any of these chords too. Like you could be like. So there's that stuff that we talked about so far. And I guess here, if we were going to go with chorus other one, it would be like, and then a G instead. It'd be more of a big change. And that's another thing we brought this time, is the pin both of those fingers there and do a bunch of chords. There's a lot of songs that have those chords in them. So there's like the E1, the A1, the C1, the F1, the D1, and it's like all this. Why are we talking about this? Because those all have that D in there, and they also have this note, so you could substitute those any other time you wanted to. You could and then go back to the regular ones. Actually, I think that sounds pretty cool. Let's say that maybe on the very first chord in the chorus, the C, you tried that to be like. our chorus, and we're like, other stuff. How could it go other than da dum? This is something like so. This is random. So they could be half as long. That would be the other thing. You could be like. But I think probably the first one. So the thing to be aware of is like try not to do the same thing you were doing during the verse vocally, and one way we can do that is with long tones, like we were here going like ba-dum, ba-dum, or you can make it busy instead. You could be like,